Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the chat wallpaper for all your WhatsApp contacts using your Android or iPhone. So let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three dots menu icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Locate the option called Chats and tap on it. Now here under the display section, you will see two main options, Theme and Default Chat Theme. To change the wallpaper for all contacts, tap on Default Chat Theme. You will now see different theme options to choose from. You can even customize your chat color by tapping on this option. For now, we will go with wallpaper. So here you can browse the categories as much as you like. I'll go with this one. Now tap on the moonlight icon at the bottom right corner. And from here you can set dark, light or dim mode background. And once you're happy with the preview, tap the check mark at the top left corner. Tap Set Wallpaper. This will apply your selected wallpaper to all chats using the default theme, so you don't have to do it one by one. Chats with custom wallpapers will stay unchanged unless you reset them. If you want to switch between light and dark mode, just go back to the Chats menu and tap on Theme. Now choose your preferred mode. For now, I'll go with the default one. And that's it. That's how you change your WhatsApp chat wallpaper for all contacts easily. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tricks, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.